Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can freeze columns in Excel. It's pretty easy. So actually there are two ways. The first way is that let's say if you just wanna freeze the first column, for that you just need to go to View tab. You should be able to see the freeze pane option. So simply open the drop down and simply you have to select this option in order to freeze the first column. So select freeze first column option, and once you do that, if I scroll, you will see that the first column is frozen, or you can say the first column is not moving. So that's exactly how we'll able to freeze the first column. And now in order to unfreeze it, simply again select the drop down and select the option unfreeze panes, and that way we'll able to unfreeze the column. It is that easy. Now let's say if you want to freeze multiple columns, for that you need to select the column next to those columns which you want to freeze. Like if I want to freeze column A, B, C, then I need to select the column D. Then just go to the View tab again, and this time we need to select this option freeze panes. Now if I move, you can see the first three columns are frozen, and that's exactly how we're able to freeze multiple columns. Now the problem with this is that if you scroll, you won't be able to see the header. And to solve this, first of all, let me just unfreeze. So we'll select the option unfreeze panes. That way we'll able to unfreeze all the columns. Now if you want to show the header as well, for that simply select the next cell. Like instead of selecting the header, you can select the next cell. And now if we go and select the option free panes, and even if we scroll, we'll able to see the header. So this is the option which you can use. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how we'll able to freeze columns in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.